Ever pondered on how powerful words can influence our energy? Today, we delve into this fascinating concept and many more as we explore the diverse aspects of energy balance. Our journey begins with a look at the captivating world of crystal energy. Crystals are more than just beautiful stones. They are tools for balance and alignment in our energetic fields. Originating from the Earth's innermost layers, each crystal holds unique properties that can harmonize and enhance our energetic vibrations. By harnessing the power of these natural wonders, we can channel positivity and strengthen our aura. Next, we'll turn our focus to the transformative power of meditation and mindfulness. These ancient techniques have been modernized to cultivate inner peace, reduce stress, and enhance our energetic flow. By quieting our minds and focusing on the present moment, we can tap into our inner energy and align it with the energy of the universe. Our exploration then leads us to the realm of chakra healing. Imagine 7 energy centers swirling within our bodies, each with a significant role in our overall energy balance. Recognizing and addressing imbalances in these chakras is key to restoring harmony and promoting a healthy energy flow. In our 4th point, we'll learn about energy clearing. This essential practice helps us to release stagnant or negative energy, creating a harmonious environment for optimal well-being. By energizing and purifying our energetic space, we can ensure a positive flow of energy in our lives. As we continue, we'll explore a variety of energy healing modules, from reiki and acupuncture to energy medicine. Each offers unique principles and benefits to restore and balance our energy systems. The ancient practice of yoga is our next stop. Here, we discover the intricate connection between breath, movement, and energy flow. Yoga harnesses and cultivates balance, strength, and flexibility, all while promoting a serene state of mind. Next, we delve into the profound impact of nutrition on our energy levels. The connection between food, vitality, and overall energetic balance is undeniable. By making conscious choices, we can fuel our bodies and optimize our energy. Finally, we'll uncover practical strategies to balance our energy on a daily basis. Techniques such as meditation, grounding, setting intentions, self-care rituals, and creating a harmonious lifestyle all contribute to maintaining a state of equilibrium and vitality. To sum up, we've journeyed through the realms of crystal energy, meditation and mindfulness, chakra healing, energy clearing, healing modules, yoga, energetic nutrition, and daily energy balance. It's a vast and captivating world, one where words hold power, crystals resonate with energy, and practices like meditation, yoga, and nutrition play pivotal roles in our energetic well-being. It's a world where balance is key and energy flows like a life-giving river. Remember, the journey to energy balance is a personal one, unique to each individual. Embrace the journey, explore the practices, and find the balance that resonates with you.